All right, YouTube, we just got this KSP lift leveling kit on the truck. It does really good. The truck drives stock. It sits higher. It's more aggressive. It's exactly what I wanted. So what we're gonna do now in this video is we're gonna do a gas mileage video. The majority of the 623 some odd miles here was without the lift, and at that point I was getting 23 miles per gallon average. So we did drop a little bit. I just filled up the tank just now, so we're gonna reset all of this, and you know, I'll update you guys later and let you know what my fuel economy is. Just wanted to quickly clarify, I was getting 23 miles per gallon. After I put the lift on, it dropped down to 21 in that last video. I paid $2.79 per gallon, totaling about just over 50 bucks for just shy of 18 gallons here. I apologize I didn't take another video here. However, when I got around to refilling it, I put in 19.3 gallons and paid $56. This is kind of fun here. So I averaged 19.4 miles per gallon over the last 50 miles. This did include some city driving where I was unnecessarily flooring it. So this is my trip B, 1,352 miles. The majority of this, about 1,000 miles of this, was spent without the lift. So the last 300 or so was spent with the lift, averaging 20.5. All right, so the moment you all been waiting for, we drove 371.6 miles, averaging 20.1 miles per gallon. Not bad for a truck with a 3-inch lift. All right, so I know some of you can do basic math and prefer to calculate your gas mileage manually. So I finished over here at 126,672 miles, and I started at 126,299. So that the difference there is 373 miles, which is different from my trip that says 371. So why there's a mile and a half to 2 mile discrepancy, I don't know. If you know, please let me know in the comment section below. I am running the stock wheel and I am running the stock tire on this truck. Anyways, lifting a truck, nobody really talks about gas mileage. It's almost kind of like taboo. You don't lift a truck for gas mileage. However, I'm always interested to know how the gas mileage changes from stock to the lift and all the rest of it. And if I'm curious, I know that there's probably several other people out there that are curious about the same thing. If you're considering lifting your truck, you're probably okay with the loss in gas mileage, but you just kind of like to know going into it, how much this particular truck will lose when it's up in the air. I think I could probably get this truck to average, over 20, maybe 20 and a half, closer to 21. I usually am all freeway driving and I drive pretty conservatively. However, this tank of gas, I did do a lot of city driving, and getting on the freeway and passing and all the rest of it, I was driving it a little more, how should I put it, recklessly than usual. Anyway, if this video helped you in any type of way, I ask that you like and subscribe. I am on a journey to obtain 1,000 subscribers, and if you could help me with that, I would be very grateful and appreciative. And it'll also encourage me to continue making goofy videos like this about random little things that you may be interested in.